The law of conservation of mass says that the total mass of the reactants will be equal to the total mass of the products of a reaction. And another way to say that is that during a chemical reaction, mass is not lost or gained anywhere. It's just transferred from one form, being the reactants, to another form, which would be the products. And so in this assignment, what you're going to be doing is applying the law of conservation of mass. So what you're seeing on the screen are three examples of three different reactions. We have reaction 1, which is magnesium plus oxygen, produces magnesium oxide. And we see that the total mass of the reactants, 48.6, plus the other reactant, oxygen, 32.0. If we look at that total mass there, it's 80.6, which is the mass of the product as well. So in the next two reactions, we're going to apply this concept to figure out the missing mass. So in this case, we're looking at the same reaction of magnesium and oxygen to form magnesium oxide, but this time we don't know the mass of our magnesium. However, we do know that the total mass of our product is 40.3, which means the total mass of our reactants needs to be 40.3 as well. So, since 16.0 grams of the 40.3 is from the oxygen, that means the remainder to 40.3 would be magnesium. So I'm going to take the 40.3 and subtract 16.0, and that will get us the mass of the magnesium, 24.3 grams. Okay, now let's apply that to reaction number 3. In this case, we have two reactants, magnesium oxide and chlorine, and we know the mass of each of those. And this time we have two products, magnesium chloride and oxygen, and we do not know how much oxygen we produce. However, we do know that our two reactants have a total mass of 50.3 grams, which means that our products as well have to add up to 50.3 grams. Well, if that's the case, that means of the 50.3 grams, 25.3 belong to the magnesium chloride, which would mean the remainder is here for the oxygen. So let's take our total amount we know we need, 50.3, subtract what we already have, which is the magnesium chloride here, and that's going to get us the amount of oxygen we have, which comes out to be 25 with significant figures, 0.0 grams.